Hello, it's Thursday night in May. It's about 7:30 in the evening. Sarah and I have just finished a walking food tour. Come and we'll take you for a walk around Nice Old Town and the surrounding area. Oh, it's very cool. Oh, there's runners. Look out, the running club, baby. Running club. Now we get runners going on here. Oh, more of them. Nice.
7 km.
Oh my goodness. Oh, lined up, baby. Lined up. Goodness me.
When you start the day, they give you a website.
Oh, it's like they're all lined up to come in here, Sarah. They're like lined up to get into that place, Sarah. It's not a good looking one here. What's this joint? Wow. Oh goodness. Yeah. Just a walking thing, putting the YouTube going. Bloody hell. Alright, people everywhere.
Also, I'm from Yeah.
That's a nice building, though. Look at the side street there too, though. Yeah. Which way, darling? Buddy.
Oh, merci. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
C'est des petites billes de pâte. Ça, c'est fait avec à l'intérieur des légumes.
Where are we now, darling? It is, darling. amazing. Like a every step I take, every move I oh, that street up there, Sarah. Yeah. Wait.
Taking photos of the bowls.
Wow, this place is busy.
Look at the backdrop of that, baby.
Goodness me. Sarah, Garibaldi Le Chateau. Wow, it's grand. Grand.
Ça dépend de la régulation.